In the pristine waters of the Canadian Arctic, a symphony of natural sounds reverberates beneath the ice. But this tranquility is at risk due to a hidden challenge: underwater noise. The Department of Fisheries and Oceans Canada, through the Oceans Protection Plan and the Marine Environmental Quality Program, is shedding light on this pressing issue in the Canadian Arctic waters. Our mission is to understand the impact of human-generated underwater ocean noise and safeguard the marine ecosystem.
For my research, I use hydrophones, which are basically microphones that can listen underwater, and they can record any type of sound, from animals to ice movements and currents, and also human-made noise, like ship traffic, sonars, and noise from pile driving.
For marine life, sound is a lifeline for navigation, communication, and survival, all interwoven within the acoustic tapestry of life in the ocean. The Arctic's unique soundscape is characterized by low levels of ambient noise, making it particularly sensitive to human activities.
With increasing shipping in the Arctic, there's been growing concern of the potential impact. Because sound is so important for marine mammal, we want to make sure that we protect quiet environment so that marine mammal can communicate with each other, they have space to find their prey using sound, and they have space to navigate their environment using sound. And for that, we need to understand what are the current level of sound and also understand the threshold of sound that are tolerable for marine mammals.
The overlap of human-made noise with marine life's acoustic perception is alarming. This disruption can lead to behavioral changes, physiological stress, and even more severe consequences.
Underwater noise can mask marine mammal vocalizations, so they can't really hear or quite understand each other anymore. It can also lead to disruption of important activities such as feeding or mating. And it can also lead to habitat avoidance. So marine mammals leave the area they chose to go somewhere where it's a bit more quiet. But what happens when there is nowhere else to go because everywhere is noisy?
We work with local hunter and trapper organizations to find the best location to deploy our hydrophone and also the best timing. And we worked with them to deploy it and retrieve it. So we want to make sure that we have the support anytime we do research.
Current laws in Canada have the authority to minimize the risk of underwater noise. Together with our Inuit partners and stakeholders, DFO is committed to monitoring, understanding, and mitigating these sounds. It's a commitment to protect, conserve, and sustain the Arctic marine environment. This includes developing measures to mitigate risks, involving local communities in these processes, and ensuring a sustainable future for Arctic marine life. Our efforts extend beyond research and include active conservation and community involvement. Join us in this vital endeavor. Learn more about our efforts and the wonders of the Arctic. Visit canada.ca and search for more information on underwater noise and how its effects are managed.